Hi, I'm Megan with Sanctuary DEX'S, and today I'm going to show you how to accept payments in crypto. Some people have made a lot of money in crypto and have no way to spend it. Some merchants have trouble getting banked. We have put those two parties together. Sanctuary DEX'S Merchant Pay system allows your customers to pay you with cryptocurrency. You may be asking, why would you want some of your payments in crypto? Well, inflation is officially at a 30-year high. Unofficially, it's at an all-time high for the US. Some merchants are seeing 26% monthly increases in product costs. No one can freeze your assets or decide you are not worthy to bank with them, and big banks are continuously becoming less cooperative and interested in small merchants. Some merchants try to accept crypto but end up exposing their public key to their customer. Exposing your public key means prying eyes can see your transactions. With Sanctuary DEX'S, we hide your public key through a special double encryption process that makes it so that your customers cannot see the balance and transactions on the blockchain. The Sanctuary DEX'S Merchant Dashboard allows merchants to see a history of their transactions. Sanctuary DEX'S Merchant Pay has supports for multiple wallets. This means that merchants can use wallets as cost centers for granularity. For example, a different wallet for different addresses means that you can keep track of sales by tables in a restaurant or different product windows in a store. Our Merchant Pay sign builder lets you make a custom sign that has our secure Merchant Pay QR code. First, all you have to do is log in at merchants.sanctuarydex.com. And then you click Payment Signs. This will take you to the Payment Sign Editor. Here you can create your own custom payment sign. You can change the background, you can add an image or text, and of course you can create and add our secure Merchant Pay QR code. To create the QR code, first click Add QR code at the bottom of the screen. Then under Choose Target Wallet, you will select which wallet you would like to receive your merchant payments. Then you can add a merchant code if you would like. Once you are done customizing your payment sign, you can click download and then you can print it and put it wherever you want. You can also sell cryptocurrency in your stores with our Sanctuary DEX'S prepaid cards. Coming soon, you can automatically convert your crypto payments back to US dollars with Sanctuary DEX'S Merchant Pay. The Sanctuary DEX'S app has a 24-hour chat support with live humans. The Sanctuary DEX'S app lets you send money to your friends through your contacts in your phone. The app also has special features for supporting our prepaid cards. Here is a comparison matrix of all of our features being compared to some of the top cryptocurrency wallet apps. We also have a more in-depth video comparing all of our features. Click the card in the top right-hand corner of the screen to view a more in-depth video of our features. Go to our website, sanctuarydex.com, to ask us more about training on blockchain and cryptocurrency. So much for watching another Sanctuary DEX YouTube video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and go download the Sanctuary Wallet app on the App Store or on the Google Play Store. If you have any more questions about what we do or our products, please visit the Sanctuary DEX website.